So yesterday I asked Caprice to add a student to MIPA 0950, this one right here, Kimberly Pittman. One reason why I always want to double check that the student is in the course after Caprice says that they are is because sometimes they actually aren't in the class. So Caprice has said that she entered the information, and so the next step for that is to use this link up here, which I will provide. It is a top desk ticket. The top desk is pretty simple. You come down here, are you enrolling more than one person? No. Then you provide the course information. The CRN is 27410. The course name is MIPA 950. I need to get this information for her, and then I would do her U number and student and provide your own phone number in case there are questions, and then you click submit. Sometimes whoever does the top desk will come back with a question for you to answer, but usually they're able to just go ahead and add the student, and then when they say that they have completed it, again, always go and check the roster and make sure that the student has been added before notifying the student that they now have access to that unit.